Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Auto Fibo Phenomenon Indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the Auto Fibo Phenomenon Indicator to the chart. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. As you can see, it's a charting tool, right? An advanced charting tool that is based on the Fibonacci levels. Okay, it's based on the Fibonacci levels. The indicator actually helps us to determine entry points and also gives us stop loss, and as you can see, 3 distinct take profit levels. Okay, so for every entry it predicts 3 take profit levels and also gives us a stop loss level. All right, in this case you can see we had our sell entry here, and this is the first take profit, second take profit, third take profit, and we have the stop loss here. All right, now the indicator makes it super easy and can be used even by beginners, right? Makes it super easy because it does all the heavy lifting for you, right? Gives you, the food directly in your mouth. Okay, however, it's always good to also get additional confirmation, irrespective of the fact that the indicator gives you your entry, gives you your take profits, gives you your stop loss, does all the heavy lifting for you. But it's good if you also get some additional confirmations, maybe like chart patterns. For example, you can see here we actually had a breakout from this bullish trend line. At least that would have been an additional confirmation that yes, indeed, the sell move here is valid, right? And then you can also decide to add on other indicators for additional confirmation. Also, make sure you prioritize risk management, okay? So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.